Welcome students, we're going to take and do a little review of the first few steps of Capstone Project Chapter 1. Sitting at my courses, go into ITCS 1010 section H1634, course materials. Word Chapter 1, drilling down, capstone exercise. Word 365, Chapter 1, Capstone Project Review, Part 2. Download materials and then take the 4 steps necessary to be graded. I'm going to go to step 1 and click download materials. I'm going to download the Space Camp instructions. It asks me where I want to save it. I'm going to create a new folder called Chapter 1 Capstone Review. That's where I will be saving items EXP 19 Word with a 1. I'm going to remove the 1. Download that. Now I'm going to download the main document that I'll be processing. Download. Next to the instructions. Now I'm going to be downloading what I suspect will be a subordinate document. Again, all 3 documents are now downloaded. Close. Right now, I have to take steps to process, take steps and process with those step descriptions the main document. What does that mean? I can sign off because I have Office 365 on my computer. So I will sign off and yet bring up Word 365. Clicking Home. I want to open some documents. I'm going to browse, which means I have to drill down, find that file, and drill down into it. Well, I know it's on this disk, this folder, Word, and it's called Chapter 1 Capstone Review. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the instructions. Now, enable editing. I recommend that you print out a copy of these instructions so you have them next to your computer. However, I use a trick. I'm going to go home and I'm going to say Control A, which is select all, copy, and I'm going to bring up another application on my computer, on any Windows computer, called WordPad. There it is, and I'm going to paste these instructions into WordPad. And furthermore, I'm then going to save that file in the same folder as Word Capstone Review, and I'm going to call it EXP 19 underscore Word underscore chapter 1 underscore cap underscore space instructions. Only I'm going to remove docx because WordPad saves files as rich text file, RTF, not docx. I now have all the directions sitting in a WordPad file. And I'm very happy about that because I'll be able to refer to this material as I work on the project. I'm minimizing it. I'm going to close the instruction file. I'm now going to open the cap space file. Okay, space camp file. I'm going to make it smaller so it doesn't occupy the whole page. I'm going to put it over on the left of my screen. And look at the instructions. And step 1 says, start Word, download and open the file. Okay, Grader has automatically added your last name to the file. My last name is Student. Okay. Insert text from existing document. Well, right now I want to follow these steps, but I'm going to make that part 3. So it will show up in the next lesson. We'll stop here and ask the students, did you understand what I did up to this point? And end of part 2.